Join me as I dive into the wild to see if animals really know how to heal themselves using medicinal plants. From observing animals in their natural habitats, we've stumbled upon a fascinating phenomenon. Some species seem to have an innate ability to heal themselves using medicinal plants. But what's truly remarkable about this behavior is that it's not just a coincidence. These animals appear to have an actual understanding of which plants can cure their ailments. This raises some intriguing questions. Do animals truly possess knowledge of medicinal plants, and if so, how do they use it to their advantage? One of the biggest challenges in studying this behavior is distinguishing between instinct and genuine knowledge. Do animals simply stumble upon plants that happen to have medicinal properties, or do they have a deep understanding of their healing properties? If they do possess this knowledge, how do they acquire it, and how do they pass it on to future generations? Moreover, how do we, as observers, determine whether an animal is intentionally using a plant for medicinal purposes or simply exploiting its nutritional value? Another layer of complexity arises when considering the role of evolution in this behavior. Have animals evolved to develop a preference for certain plants based on their medicinal properties? Or have they learned to associate these plants with relief from symptoms over time? Understanding the roots of this behavior is crucial to determining whether animals truly have a form of medicinal intelligence. The answers to these questions have significant implications for our understanding of animal cognition and survival strategies. If animals do possess knowledge of medicinal plants, it could revolutionize our approach to conservation and wildlife management. Moving on, let's explore some remarkable examples of animal species that have been observed using plants for medicinal purposes. In the Amazon rainforest, the indigenous Ticuna people have long observed how the wild capuchin monkey uses the seeds of the Croton leclerri tree to cure its skin conditions. Similarly, in the African savanna, elephants have been known to consume the bark of the Terminalia sericea tree to treat their tuberculosis. These observations raise more questions. Do these animals have a sophisticated understanding of the chemical compounds present in these plants, or are they simply exploiting their natural properties? Moreover, how do they identify the correct dosage and preparation methods for these medicinal plants? One of the most compelling cases of self-medication in animals is that of the chimpanzee. Researchers have observed how chimps in the Mahale Mountains of Tanzania use crushed leaves from the Aspilia pluricida plant to create a sort of anti-parasitic paste, which they then apply to their wounds. This behavior is particularly striking, as it demonstrates a sophisticated understanding of herbal medicine. This study has significant implications for our understanding of the evolution of medicinal intelligence in animals. It suggests that our closest living relatives in the animal kingdom may have developed a level of sophistication in their use of medicinal plants, rivaling that of indigenous human cultures. In another study, researchers found that horses in the Camargue region of France were using a particular type of mud to treat their skin conditions. This mud, rich in antibacterial compounds, was found to have a profound impact on the horse's overall health. The evidence is mounting, and it's clear that animals have developed unique ways to exploit the medicinal properties of plants. But what does this mean for our understanding of animal intelligence and their capacity for self-healing? In conclusion, today we've explored the fascinating phenomenon of animals using medicinal plants to heal themselves. We've delved into the complexities of understanding this behavior, from distinguishing between instinct and knowledge to exploring the role of evolution. We've also examined some remarkable examples of animal species that have developed unique relationships with medicinal plants. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the wild. If you have any thoughts on this topic, please share them with me in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about animal behavior or natural medicine, be sure to check out our video on the incredible world of biomimicry.